Hello friends, welcome to our channel GK Earth English, where we challenge your brain with some exciting general knowledge questions. Today, we will explore 20 multiple choice New York trivia questions and answers that will challenge your mind and spark your curiosity. Are you ready? So let's start. Question number 1. What is the capital of New York? Option A, the New York City, B, Albany, C, Buffalo, and D, Rochester. The correct answer is Albany. The capital of New York is Albany. Albany, located in eastern New York along the Hudson River, became the state capital in 1797. It is one of the oldest cities in the US. Question number 2. What is the nickname of New York City? Option A, the Big Apple. Option B, the Windy City. And C, the City of Angels. And D, the Motor City. The correct answer is Big Apple. New York City nickname is the Big Apple. The term became popular in 1920. Originally used in reference to horse racing, it later became associated with the city, vibrant culture, opportunity, and the prominence in entertainment, finance, and media. Question number 3. Which iconic waterfall is located on the border of New York and Canada? A, Yosemite Fall, B, Angel Fall, C, Niagara Fall, and D, Victoria Fall. The correct answer is Niagara Fall. Niagara Falls straddles the border between the state of New York in the United States and the province of Ontario in Canada. It actually is a group of 3 waterfalls. Horseshoe Fall is the largest, straddling the border, American Fall, and the Bridal Veil Fall. Question number 4. In which borough of New York City is the Bronx Zoo located? A, Manhattan, B, Brooklyn, C, Queens, and D, the Bronx. The correct answer is the Bronx. The Bronx Zoo, established in 1899, is one of the largest metropolitan zoo in the world and covers 265 acres of parkland. It is home to over 10,000 animals representing more than 700 species from around the globe. Question number 5. What is the official state tree of New York? Option A, oak, B, maple, C, pine, and D, apple. The correct answer is maple. The official state tree of New York is the sugar maple. The sugar maple was designated as a New York state tree in 1956. It is a hardwood tree known for its stunning bright orange, red, and yellow leaves in autumn. The tree is also valued for producing maple syrup as it has a high sugar content in its sap. Question number 6. The Great White Way is the nickname for which famous New York City street? A, Wall Street, B, Fifth Avenue, C, Broadway, and D, Madison Avenue. The correct answer is Broadway. The Great White Way is a nickname for the theatrical section of Broadway in New York City, especially the portion comprising the theater district between 42 and 53rd Street, including Times Square. Question number 7. The famous Empire State Building is located in which borough of New York City? A, Manhattan, B, Brooklyn, C, Queens, and D, the Bronx. The correct answer is Manhattan. The Empire State Building, completed in 1931, is one of the most iconic skyscrapers in the world. standing at 1,454 meters, including its antenna. It was the tallest building in the world until 1970. Question number 8. Which major river runs through the heart of New York City? A. Hudson River, B. Mississippi River, C. Colorado River, and D. Potomac River. The correct answer is Hudson River. The Hudson River runs along the western side of New York City, separating Manhattan from New York, Jersey. It plays a vital role in the city history, commerce, and transportation. Question number 9. Which natural landmark in upstate New York is known for its mist and horseshoe shape? A. Grand Canyon, B. Niagara Falls, C. The Great Salt Lake, and D. Yellowstone Fall. The correct answer is Niagara Falls. Niagara Falls, located in upstate New York, is famous for its mist and distinctive horseshoe fall shape. It is one of the most powerful waterfalls in North America, attracting millions of visitors each year. Question number 10. What is the official state fruit of New York? A. Orange, B. Banana, C. Peach, and D. Apple. The correct answer is apple. The official state fruit of New York is the apple. Adopted in 1976, apples are a significant agricultural product in New York and have a long history in the state, having been introduced by European settlers in the 1600s. Question number 11. What is the official state gem of New York? Option A. Ruby, B. Garnet, C. Diamond, and D. Sapphire. The correct answer is garnet. Question number 12. Which New York City borough is known for its vibrant street art and hipster culture? A. Manhattan, B. Brooklyn, C. Queens, and D. Staten Island. The correct answer is Brooklyn. Question number 13. What is the name of the famous shopping and entertainment area in Midtown Manhattan? A. Times Square, B. Soho, C. Fifth Avenue, and D. Greenwich Village. The correct answer is Times Square. The famous shopping and entertainment area in the Midtown Manhattan is Times Square, known for its bright billboards, Broadway theaters, and the bustling atmosphere. It is a major tourist destination and a globe symbol of New York City energy and entertainment industry. Question number 14. In which borough is the famous Yankee Stadium located? A. Manhattan, B. The Bronx, C. The Brooklyn, and D. Staten Island. The correct answer is the Bronx. Yankee Stadium, home of the New York Yankees, is located in the Bronx borough of New York City. The original Yankee Stadium was built in 1923 and a new stadium with the same name was opened in 2009. Question number 15. When was the New York subway system first inaugurated? A. 1901, B. 1904, C. 1910, and D. 1912. The correct answer is 1904. The New York City subway system, including the first section from City Hall to 145 Street, was officially inaugurated on October 27, 1904. Question number 16. The famous Stonewall Inn is located in which neighborhood of Manhattan? A. Greenwich Village, B. Harlem, C. Chinatown, and D. Hell Kitchen. The correct answer is Greenwich Village. The Stone Wall Inn is located in Greenwich Village, Manhattan. It is historically significant as the site of the Stonewall riots in June 1969, which play a crucial role in the LGBTQ rights movement. Question number 17. Which of the following is the official state bird of New York? A. Bald eagle, B. Blue jay, C. Eastern bluebird, and D. American robin. The correct answer is Eastern bluebird. The Eastern bluebird was designated as New York's state bird in 1970. It is a small, brightly colored bird with a vibrant blue-black and reddish-orange chest, known for its cheerful song and gentle nature. Question number 18. Which famous New York City street is home to many theaters and is known as the Theater District? A. Wall Street, B. Fifth Avenue, C. Broadway, and D. Madison Avenue. The correct answer is Broadway. Question number 19. The New York Stock Exchange is located on which street in Lower Manhattan? A. Wall Street, B. Madison Avenue, C. Broadway, and D. Park Avenue. The correct answer is Wall Street. The New York Stock Exchange is located on Wall Street in Lower Manhattan. It is one of the world's largest and most influential stock exchange, playing a central role in global finance. The NYSE was established in 1792. Question number 20. What year did New York officially become a state? A. 1776, B. 1788, C. 1803, and D. 1812. The correct answer is 1788. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed the video, please like, share and subscribe my channel and hit the notification bell so you never miss out our latest videos.